gods, see, and I've only managed to drink that much of my drink. Who said scrapping was easy? Well, I'm going to absolutely get absolutely loads of comments saying you're wasting your time, just weigh the plugs in. Yeah. What else would I be doing? I'd be sitting inside the house watching the goggle box. Now, I'm here, I'm making money, and I'm happy. Well, that's the scrap life for you. You take it as it comes, you deal with it as you get it. Some's easy, some's not so easy. I also picked up this week a couple of starter motors. And to be honest, I don't think I've ever stripped a starter motor, so I'll save them two for another video. And I got a card. Not exactly a Christmas card, still a card. The thing is, I don't know when they posted it, because that's an old money stamp. Wish it was a penny red. Be worth a bobby to if it was a penny red. Even better if it was a penny black. But it's 2.5 D. That makes it pre 1969. 2.5 D. Denarius. Sixpence. 2.5 pennies. Anyway, people, I'm sorry, it was a boring video. That's scrap life at times. Me and the Reverend James have had fun. I didn't strip them all. Those that I think I could sell, pretty clean, where the catches are not really mangled, manky. Hopefully I can sell them. Scrap wise, every one of those is worth 10 pence in brass. Or should I say 3 of those pins are worth 10p. That's basing it on £2.50 a kilogram, or 2,500 pounds a ton, metric ton. I've also got the cable, and in all, hey, scrap life, it is what it is, you know. You get tin cans, you get plugs, you get wire, occasionally you get a nice chunk of copper. Freezing in here again. Right, so good night from me, short video, bye. How do you make a scrap video? Oh, come on. How do you make a scrap video interesting? In its shed. I'll catch you in the next video. Freezing in here.